Jai Sanskar. Till the time we have discussed about disasters, man-induced disasters or because of mistake of human or leakage, there is a disaster which is caused by humans. There is intentional disasters which are like nuclear bombs or war. But there are certain disasters which cannot be predicted, like earthquake, forest fire, nature induced disaster, and certain more disasters like cyclone, flood, which can be predicted and cured. Till the time we have seen what we can do to overcome this. Previously we were discussing about riots, that how this riots take place. જનરલી રિયોટ્સને આપણે દંગા તરીકે ઓળખતા હોઈએ, તો આ દંગાની પરિસ્થિતિ હોય ત્યારે શું કરવું? સો બેઝિકલી ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ છે કે તમારી પાસે જે કંઈ પણ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આવે, નાવડેઝ વી હેવ ફેસિલિટી ટુ હેવ વોટ્સએપ, ટ્વિટર, etc. So without confirming that whatever information you are getting is true, you are not supposed to believe in that. So, what not to do during riots? Do not be instrumental in spreading rumors. Do not violate instruction or curfew declared by authority to maintain law and order. Do not believe and spread baseless talks appearing in social media. Tourists sometimes hijack a bus, train or a plane to get their demands met with for releasing their accomplice from jail or for other demands. They bring pressure by taking passengers as a hostage. In such circumstances, the family member of person taken as a hostage should remain peace and support the working of administration. In such instances, plans are implemented to relieve the citizen either by commando operation or through talk with the terrorist. So what happens? Sometimes terrorists hijack bus, plane or any important person of the country. At that time, if this person is belonging to you, he is your relative or any way you do know them. So in that case, you are not supposed to get hyper. Okay, because in this kind of situation they may hire some commandos to do their work, or they may get the person back by a healthy negotiation. So this is the thing. Sometimes the reason could be anything for hijacking or kidnapping kind of thing. Reason could be anything, like they want someone to get out of a jail, they want someone to get that person away from others' eye. So there could be a number of reasons, but what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to stay calm and cooperate the work which is done by the government or respective officers. Traffic problems. We have seen vehicles piling at a snail's speed and very close to each other on roads of large cities. This situation is called traffic jams. When a means of transport comes to a halt on a road, the traffic problems occurs. Such a situation occurs frequently on a busy road of larger cities. The vehicular traffic come almost to stand still during peak hour of commuting. At such a tough time, a vehicle drivers, travelers and pedestrians experience mental stress. It takes time to control the situation or normalize the vehicular traffic. Smoke from vehicles, other dirty things generated in large quantity create air and noise pollution. This affects the public hygiene of the region and also growth of vegetation. Okay, સો ટ્રાફિક જામ આપણે કોને કહીએ, ખંભાળિયાની અંદર આપણે એટલું ઓબ્ઝર્વ ના કરતા હોય, બટ જ્યારે રોડની અંદર એક્સિડન્ટ થઈ ગયું, કંઈક એવી સિચ્યુએશન થઈ ગઈ, રોડમાંથી પાસ થવું ડિફિકલ્ટ છે, બહુ વધારે લોકો જમા થઈ ગયા, એવી કંઈક સિચ્યુએશન હોય, રાજકોટ છે, બોમ્બે છે, દિલ્હી છે, મોટા મોટા સિટી હોય ત્યાં આવી પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ વધારે જોવા મળે. જો કોઈ વ્હીકલ્સને આગ લાગી ગઈ હોય કે એક્સિડન્ટ થયું હોય, એક્સ્ટ્રીમ લેવલનું એક્સિડન્ટ થયું હોય, ઇન ધેટ કેસ ટ્રાફિક રોકાઈ જાય. લોકોને જનરલી 8 o'clockનો ટાઈમ છે, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock ઓર બપોરના 12 થી 2 o'clock વચ્ચેનો ટાઈમ છે કે જ્યારે સ્કૂલથી કિડ્સ ઘરે જતા હોય, જ્યારે લોકો ઓફિસ જતા હોય, ડ્યુરિંગ ધીસ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ આર્સ આવા કોઈ ટ્રાફિકના જામ આપણને જો મળી જાય, જેમ થઈ જાય, ટ્રાફિક જેમ થઈ જાય એની વે, સો દેટ ઇઝ વેરી ડિફિકલ્ટ ફોર ધ પર્સન. કારણ કે એક સ્ટ્રેસ હોય કામ પર કે સ્કૂલે ટાઈમ પર પહોંચવાનું, અને સાથે સાથે ડિલે થાય, પછી વાહનોનો ધુમાડો હોય, દેટ ઓલ makes person's life pathetic for that certain time. So what you are supposed to do in that particular time? Okay, that is given to you in next segment, but right now let's see. Growing urbanization has created a traffic jam problem in almost all cities of world. There is a long queue of vehicles. When those vehicles which undertake relief work and rescue operation are stranded over the road, people lose their life. For example, standing off 108 ambulance, increase in traffic, negligence of drivers, and due to ignorance in understanding the signs and symbol put along the road, cause many accidents every year and many people lose their lives. Death rate in India is very high due to accident on roads. Sometimes a victim of accident may become invalid permanently. Incidences appear in newspaper frequently about accident caused by minors driving a vehicle. On the highways, big disasters are caused due to heavy vehicular traffic and uncontrolled speedy vehicles. Accidents occur at unmanned railway crossing are result of undue haste or ignoring the instructions shown there. Heavy traffic causes loss of time as well as fuel. If timely effective steps are not taken, advanced planning for traffic management and dedication to observe them are not implemented, then it is going to create risk of life in days to follow without any doubt. So one should always follow the traffic signals. Minors should not drive vehicles. This is a must. તમે અત્યારે 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં છો, તમારી એજ બહુ ઓછી કહેવાય, 16 યરે લર્નિંગ લાઇસન્સ મળે, દેન આફ્ટર હાઈવેઝમાં તો ન જ ચલાવવું જોઈએ. ટ્રાફિકના જે કાંઈ પણ સિગ્નલ્સ છે એને બહુ સારી રીતે લર્ન કરવા, દેટ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ફોર એવરીવન. સિગ્નલ્સને લર્ન કરવા જોઈએ અને અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધેટ એક્ટ કરવું જોઈએ. મોસ્ટ ઓફ એક્સિડન્ટનું રીઝન હોય છે કે સિગ્નલ્સને ફોલો ના કર્યા હોય, સ્પીડ લોવર કરવાની હોય ત્યાં ના કર્યું હોય, વન વેની અંદર જતા રહ્યા હોય. સો દેર ઇઝ નંબર ઓફ વે કે એક્સિડન્ટ ક્રિએટ થાય. ઇન્ડિયાની અંદર જેટલી બી ડેથ થાય છે એમાં ઘણો 1% ડેથ જે છે દેટ ઇઝ બિકોઝ ઓફ ધીસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ રોડ એક્સિડન્ટ. સો વન શુડ ઓલવેઝ ટેક કેર અબાઉટ ધીસ થિંગ. What to do? Develop suburban township near larger city and connect them intensively by facilitating public transport service. Separate tracks should be prepared for pedestrian and cyclist. સો મોટી કોઈ ટાઉન છે એની આજુબાજુમાં સબ આવી ટાઉનશીપ જનરેટ કરવી જોઈએ અને ત્યાંથી સિટીને કનેક્ટ કરતી જનરલી પબ્લિક ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશનની બસ જે છે એને રાખવી જોઈએ. 50-60 વ્હીકલ હોય એના કરતાં 50-60 લોકોની કેપેસિટીવાળી બસ જે છે એ ઓછી જગ્યા રોકે એન્ડ ધેરફોર પીપલ જે છે એ ટાઈમે પહોંચે અને વધારે ટ્રાફિક જામ ના થાય. સો વન શુડ ઓલવેઝ ટેક પબ્લિક ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ વેન એવર ઇટ ઇઝ પોસિબલ. સેપરેટ ટ્રેક્સ હોવા જોઈએ સાયકલિસ્ટ માટે, પેડેસ્ટ્રિયન એટલે ચાલીને જતા લોકો માટે. Encouragement on the roads must be removed. Vehicles going at a very low speed or vehicles pulled by men or by animals should be banned during peak hours. Information regarding traffic rules should be conveyed to citizens through the educational, advertisement and public awareness programs. People going to their job or business at same place and same time should arrange for carpool instead of going by individual vehicles. Digging or repairing work along on the roads should be completed immediately. A tradition should be developed to take out any procession like marriage procession or religious procession, etc. During lean period, that means hour, instead of peak hours of traffic. મેરેજનો વરઘોડો છે, આવી બધી સિચ્યુએશન છે ત્યારે બહુ વધારે ટ્રાફિક જામ થતો હોય, તો આવી બધી વસ્તુઓ જે છે એ પીક આર્સ જે છે બપોરના 12 થી 1 વચ્ચેનો, 1 થી 2 વચ્ચેનો ટાઈમ છે કે સવારનો ટાઈમ છે, ઓફિસ સ્કૂલ જવાનો ટાઈમ, એ દરમિયાન આવું કાંઈ હોવું જોઈએ નહીં. ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચરલ ફેસિલિટીઝ લાઇક એક્સપ્રેસ હાઈવેઝ, overbridge, flyovers, ring road and bypass road should be developed. Every person going to job should invariably use public transport at least once in a week. Use seat belt and helmet while driving. Provision of strict punishment should be made for drivers who are drunk, who do not have their driving license or drive recklessly, for those who violate traffic rules. The driver should keep all the documents like RC book, PUC certificate, etc. in vehicle. Use fixed number plate recognized by RTO only. Keep first aid box in vehicles invariably. Drive your vehicle in specific lane only. The driver should use the side mirror and keep his attention totally on driving. Drive the vehicle after checking that all doors are locked properly. Before stopping your vehicle, the parking light should be switched on. Use deeper low beam during night time for convenience of small vehicles and pedestrians. Put on shoes while driving vehicles. Vehicles going at slow speed should always be driven on the extreme left side of the road. Overtake the vehicle only from the right side. These are the basic rules of highways or driving. What not to do? Do not violate traffic rules. Transportation of goods should not be carried out except for night time and early morning. Do not transport excess number of passengers and more than the pre-decided limit and weight. Do not deface, spoil instruction board, signs or symbol on the road. These are meant for vehicle drivers. Do not alter the design of the vehicles. Do not use cell phone while driving vehicles. Do not drive a vehicle without putting on a seat belt or a helmet. A pedestrian crossing rails or road should not use earphone or cell phones. Do not enter into argument with a person who controls traffic regarding their instruction. Guardians should not allow their minor children to drive vehicles as it is prohibited by law. Do not join a mob due to your inquisitiveness and obstruct relief work, safety work at the place of accident. પોતાની ઉતાવળ કે એને પહેલાં ન રાખો. જ્યાં કોઈ જગ્યાએ આવી રીતનું એક્સિડન્ટ થયું છે, જ્યાં કોઈ વર્કર્સ વર્ક કરી રહ્યા છે, સો એમને કોઓપરેટ કરો રાધર દેન પોતાના કામને પૂરું કરવાની કે ત્યાંથી જવાની ઝડપને. Do not use vehicles which are extremely old and which create more pollution. Always avoid musical horn and horns which produce sound beyond permitted decibel level. The doors must not be open while driving. The driver should not violate traffic signal during night or when traffic is negligible. Children should not be allowed to play on the roads or area which have frequent traffic. Do not drive after consuming drug or liquor. કોઈ પણ જાતનો નશો કે હોશ તમારા ઓછા કરી દે એવી કોઈ પણ વસ્તુને લઈ અને પછી ડ્રાઈવ કરવું તો ન જ જોઈએ. Impact of disaster on human life. Disaster affect almost everybody, but its maximum ill effect are felt by poor and underprivileged people. The effect of disaster can be grouped into 4 categories at under. Effect on physical fears. There is a heavy damage or total loss of movable or immovable property, infrastructural facilities like road, railway, bridge, electricity, gas, communication facility, etc. are heavily damaged and cannot be restored immediately. Loss of fertile agricultural land due to floods is also a loss which cannot be compensated even after prolonged time. So these are harm which is having આપણે એવું કહીએ કે પૈસાની જેટલી પણ ઓલી આપણે વેસ્ટેજ થઈ જાય, બરોબર, ઘર મકાનની પ્રોપર્ટીને ઇન્ફર્ટાઇલ લેન્ડ થઈ જાય, તો આ બધાને ઓવરકમ થતા વર્ષો લાગે અને છતાં પણ મે બી વળી પાછું એટલું જનરેશન પોસિબલ ન હોય. ઇફેક્ટ ઓન હ્યુમન લાઈફ. Many people either die due to disaster or become permanently handicapped. Health of common citizen deteriorates. Those who lose their relatives are in intense trauma or desperate. It is difficult to bring them out of the trauma. Situation of many orphan children, elderly people becomes very awkward when their support is lost. Their rehabilitation needs very intense effort. People have to face many difficulties in life. પોતાની લાઈફની અંદર ઘણી બધી ડિફિકલ્ટીઝ જે છે એ એમને ફેસ કરવી પડે. This could be because of permanently getting handicapped. It could be because of death of the only one person who is earning. So this may create a mental trauma also. Trauma એક એવી સિચ્યુએશન છે કે જ્યારે માણસ જે છે એ સ્ટ્રેસ્ડ આઉટ કે ડિપ્રેશનના સ્ટેજની અંદર જતું રહે કે વળી પાછું નોર્મલ લાઈફ ન જીવી શકે. Effects on economy. A huge capital has to be created for rehabilitation work after a disaster. It affects the routine development work. Due to shortage of capital, the completion of project is delayed. A problem of unemployment emerge till industrial units are reactivated. Economy of disaster affect area becomes weaker. Economy ને પણ ખાસી એવી ઇફેક્ટ પડે કે કોઈ કંપની છે કે કોઈ કારખાનું છે એ વર્ક કરતો બંધ થઈ જાય. So there are lot of people who are join or working because getting income because of this company or factory. So once this company or factory damages, this person's income source is stopped. So that is why economically also affects the lives. Social effect of disaster. Migration or fleeing away by people affects the social structure of the area affected by disaster. Social festivals and public celebrations become uninteresting compared to earlier time. It takes many years to restore the original charm. Social organization becomes weaker due to change in social network. સોસાયટીની અંદર કોઈ સેલિબ્રેશન્સ વગેરે જે છે એ સેલિબ્રેટ કરવાનો જે જોય છે, જે willing છે એ ડિક્રીઝ થઈ જાય because of this kind of disaster. It could be hijacking, it could be loot, it could be anything, but we consider it as a disaster because so many people had lost their lives. So the social dues or social events becomes boring or less interesting. Rehabilitation of after the disaster. At the time of disaster, first comes the rescue operation, followed by compensation or relief, and lastly the rehabilitation, which differ according to disaster. Many buildings have to be reconstructed after the earthquake, flood or a cyclone. New employment has to be created after drought, and provision for farm implement has to be made in agricultural field. After viral epidemics, program of mass education and public awareness have to be arranged for safety in future. Rehabilitation work has to be carried out under many obstacles since infrastructural facilities are damaged. It is difficult to rehabilitate a family where there is one or two survivors. If a service of psychiatrist is not provided timely to a person under trauma after witnessing a disaster, it may bring adverse results. Training and employment are necessary for those survivors who become handicapped permanently. This rehabilitation work after disaster is very challenging one. It can be fulfilled only through proper planning implemented step by step. So this is the thing, all the things which we are supposed to have should be done by planning. A proper step should be taken, and that is how we can only fight with disaster. Not only disaster, but after effect of disaster is also very ruthless. So if you find someone is having trauma, something like that, he or she might need psychiatrist as fast, as immediate as possible. Then if one person is not getting any income, so government should arrange something the way he or she could get income. So these are the basic requirement which has to be fulfilled after disaster. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.